Where are we at?
We are at Ban Bao Pier.
Ban Bao Pier? Ban Bao Pier?
Close to the hotel.
And we had to pay for parking
Yeah.
because it's very little space. A lot of stuff crammed in. You go scuba diving?
Lucky we parked there.
Why?
Yeah, 60 baht.
Oh my, a whole 10 more baht. Oh, I like it. No motorcycles, no bicycles. I thought I saw 7-Eleven. Oh, that's it right there? Hey, do you want to get something to drink? You want a water? Okay, yeah, we'll go eat. Oh, okay. The sign lied. It said no motorcycles. No motorcycles or no bicycles, but
Abu and everyone stand there. One, two, three. No, that's fine. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
no, I don't like this stuff. I'm just gonna stand here and tell them to go back. Huh.
There. It's called Thai pancake.
Yeah, I don't like them. I mean, they're okay. I like the little things that are better. I don't know what that is.
Oh, look like coconut.
Hey, doggy, doggy. I was going to tell him to turn around, but he had tattoos on his neck.
Oh my god.
Hi. What's that?
Oh, for my phone.
Oh.
Get in the water.
Oh.
หรอ
ตื้นๆ
อ๋
ค่ะ
อ
ถ้าลงอย่างลึกๆแบบปูม่าอย่างนั้นต้องอีกแบบนึงประมาณ500แล้วอย่างนี้
แค่ตื้นๆจ้าจ้าระวังอุ่นเอาแบบนี้มันแบบนี้ค่ะเมีย
เ
the sign say no motorcycle.
I know. Thai people don't listen to anything.
That's for the house. You can see.
Yeah.
Whoa, oh, one side.
That's ridiculous. Look, you can catch your own dinner.
If it swims, we have it. Then,
Huh.
if it swims, we have it.
Oh my.
Not swim.
If it swims, we have it.
Swim.
Oh, swim, yeah. If it's swim, we have it. Lazy hour instead of happy hour, it's lazy hour. I like it. I'm going in here. I'll see you guys later.